Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ujjwala Deshmukh from Department of Zoology, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. Today I am going to discuss about role of spiders in agroecosystem as a natural insecticide. Whenever we say about sustainable development, it clicks to our mind that is we have to use natural resources which are renewable too. Nature is having such large number of natural resources, just we have to find them out. In agroecosystem, if we do not use the preventive protections with pesticides or the insecticides, 70% of crop would have been lost to the pest. Recently, we have experienced the problem caused because of the locust. Similarly, mites, termites, red cotton bugs, fruit flies, mealybugs, and many more insects, they are causing damage to the crop produce. In natural ecosystem, spider plays a major role in maintaining a healthy balance between the pest and the beneficials. It is a very delicate balance that has been maintained by spiders by controlling the insects population. Large number of pesticides are used to control over the pest. Sometimes it is not required in that quantity and it disturbs the balance between the ecosystem. It has been observed that pests they quickly migrate back in or develop tolerance against these pesticides or the insecticides, while beneficials take a longer time to recover and their population declines and disturbs the balance between these insects and the beneficials. Spiders are carnivores or insectivores, that is, they are feeding on insects or many other arthropods. Spiders never feed on the vegetation. Spiders consume approximately 10% of their body weight in food per day. According to Queensland Museum, spiders eat up to 880 million tons of insects each year. Spiders have wide insect host range. They are not choosy or selective in their food. Rather, whatever the insects are available that are consumed by the spiders. So, they act as a biological control agent against insect pests in the agroecosystem. Some characters of the spiders like they are having a good searching ability. They can find their prey from a longer distance. Jumping spiders normally capture their prey by observing their prey and jump or lap to the insect in a short time, that is, insect will not get time to escape. They also get adapted to various environmental conditions. They are found in very hot to the extreme cold environmental conditions except the Antarctica. They can live in the food limited conditions or starve for a longer period and polyphagous in nature. Some common spiders like Hippasa, Caracanthium, Argyrodus, Strigodipus, Neoscona found in the agroecosystems. Neosconas, they are nocturnal species and they feed on the nocturnal insects. Caracanthium danieli spider shows higher feeding potential. Different types of webs are constructed by spiders. Or webs, common sheath web, unkempt or the irregular webs very commonly found constructed by the spiders in which the large number of insects they get trapped. Or weavers construct their web in such a way that large number of insects will get trapped or they change their habitat according to the availability of the prey insects. These are some of the photographs which shows how the insects they get captured or trapped by the spiders. Either by jumping they capture their prey or the insects they get entangled into the web of the spiders. Though the insects larger in size than the spider, but once it get entangled into the web, it cannot escape, and then the spider suck them out to the death. Some spiders like pseudoscorpion or the myrmanchini or the ant mimicking spiders, these are small in size but they consume large amount of mites and termites, which causes damage to the crop plants. As initially I have told you, the spiders are the carnivores or the insectivores, that is they are feeding on insects. Considering this potential, various references are there, that is the spiders are used very successfully as a bioinsecticide in different agroecosystems like orchids, citrus fields, banana fields or the paddy fields. Spider also work as the bio-indicator species, that is their population and diversity or their abundance indicate about the health of the environment. So, considering all these characteristics of the spiders and specifically the bioinsecticide potential of the spider, these are to be encouraged to use as a bioinsecticide instead of pesticides or the insecticides, because as we know that the insecticides or the pesticides, they are having a harmful effect on the human being as well as other beneficiaries too. So we have to use such natural resources which will be useful for the mankind as well as to the environment. Thank you.